Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you how to create this type of turbo turbine runner in SolidWorks. So keep watching this video till end. If you want to download this model, please click on the link in the description of this video. Before going further, let me introduce you to my YouTube channel SolidWorks Tutorials and Engineering News, where you will find a huge quantity of videos regarding SolidWorks and engineering. So please don't forget to press subscribe button and this bell icon for all upcoming video notification. Let's start. Click on File and select New. Then double click on the Part button. Now sketch on front plane and draw a center line and start it from origin. Now select simple line and draw it like this. Now define it by smart dimensions 10 millimeter, 50 millimeter, or you can also set 100 millimeter, and the diameter of this bore is 25 millimeter. Now draw another line, or you can also select corner rectangle and draw it here. Now define it with smart dimensions. It is 5 millimeter thick and 30 millimeter height, and 30 millimeter far away from this line. Now define the radius or diameter. If you drag your mouse upward, at the moment it is radius. If you drag your mouse to bottom of this line, it will become the diameter. So the diameter for this line is 200 millimeter. Now press escape button and select this origin and then this point. Make their relation vertical. Now you can see the whole sketch is now fully defined. So we can now apply the revolved boss base feature on it. So apply the revolve feature on it and press OK button. Now click on this button, reference geometry, and select plane. Drop down this option and select front plane as first reference. The distance is 15 millimeter. So press OK button. Now click on this new plane and sketch. Make normal to by pressing this button. Draw 3-point arc. Press escape button and define the distance. From this line to this point, it is 30 millimeter. This distance is 1 millimeter. Press escape button. Now draw a center line and define it. The distance from this center line to this line is also 30 millimeter. Now click on the center line and then this arc and make their relation tangent. Click on this plane one and hide it. Now check whether our arc is outside of this part or inside. So it is outside of this. Now this is okay. Press the space button and select this view orientation. Now save and exit from sketch by pressing this button. Sketch on this plane or this face. Make normal to. And draw one more arc. Now define it. This distance is 1 millimeter. Select this arc and then this circle and make their relation tangent. Now save and exit from sketch. Go to Features tab and select Boundary Boss Base command. Select this point and then this point. Drop down this option and select Normal to Profile, and also for this Normal to Profile. Click on this arrow and drag it upward. If it is difficult to drag it from here, simply type the distance on this box. So press OK button. Now click on this arrow below the linear pattern button and select circular pattern. Select this feature boundary. Now click on this box axis of revolution and select this circle. Type the quantity. $25 and press OK button. So all done. Now we should change its colors. Click on this boundary and then drop down these appearance options and select circular pattern 1 and apply some color. Press OK button. Also for the boundary apply the same color. Press OK button. Click on this part and select revolve. Apply some color. Press OK button. So this is the angle of strike. What will strike the blades from this direction and then leaves the runner from here. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thanks for watching and sparing time.